Yan na. Okay. What do you want?
King Lion, we have come to tell you about something that will help you.
What is it?
We no doubt you are king of the forest, but you must stop eating animals. You have killed many that you have not killed are afraid to stay in the forest. Soon, there will be no animals left.
What shall I eat? I must have something to eat.
We will take care of that. There we will choose one animal for you to eat. He will come to your cave so that you will not have to hunt for food.
That is a good plan. Let's try it. The animals carried out their promises to the lion. Each day, they sent one little animal to the lion's cave. Each night, one of them was missing from the forest. One day, the rabbit was chosen to be the lion meat. He started for the lion's cave early in the morning. But he thought that he might as well have all the fun he could have before he was eaten. So he played along the way. It was very late when at last he hopped to the door of very late cave. The lion was very hungry. Why have you kept me waiting for so long?
Good morning, King Lion. Would you like to see a big lion that looks just like you? He was a voice like yours too.
Where is the other lion?
I cannot tell you that, King Lion. You have to come and see for yourself.
Then the rabbit hopped away through the forest, and the lion followed him. Soon they came to a deep well. There was water at the bottom of it, and it was very deep.
Look down, the King Lion. There he is.
The lion looked down into the well. There he saw another lion. He opened his mouth and roared. The echo of his voice was very loud. He jumped into the well to fight the other lion drowned. The rabbit hopped back to tell the other animals about the good news.
After that, the animals lived in peace in the forest.